you have all your photos now on this computer. And so now what we need to do is we need to start making what we call a contact sheet. So first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to call this guy right here Final Project. Okay. So all the photos that I just brought over, I just put into this little turkey folder here. I'm going to select 50 photos. Grab that. Looks like I got 49. I'm going to dump it in. Let me grab one more here. Bam. So now I have 50 photos inside that guy. That's perfect. So from here, I'm going to go grab a Photoshop. Click on that. There's my Photoshop. I'm going to open that up. Now here's the beautiful thing is we don't have to do much when it comes to creating a contact sheet. The hard part is already done once you have your folder with your 50 photos in it. That's it. So back here in Photoshop, we're going to come up to the very top. We're going to go to File, and then down to Automate, and then Contact Sheet. Okay, it's going to pull open this dialog box, and I'll go through each of these pieces as we go, but it's super simple. This first one is all about where do you want the computer to look? Okay, so that's what it is. I want a folder because that's what I made. It's not an individual file. And I want to tell the computer where to go look for it. Well, it's on the desktop and it's called Final Photos. Final Project here. So let me find that guy. There it is. I'm going to say open. So now it knows where to go. Next up, the second one here is, well, what are we going to make? Okay, so yeah, we want an 8 by 10. That's like a piece of paper. Everything's good here. I'm actually going to uncheck this flatten all layers just in case something goofy happens. We're going to uncheck that. So now we told the computer where to go. We told it what to make. How do we organize it? That's the big step here. So what we need is we want to make columns. Columns are up and down. So we're going to keep the columns at 5, but the rows, we're going to say 10 rows. Okay. And we've auto spacing, and we want to actually unclick this font. Okay. And that's it. So that's what we've done. Once we're happy with all of this, we're going to press OK, sit back, relax. Photoshop does all the rest of the work. It goes into that folder that you made and starts throwing each of your photos into this document. So we'll just hang out for a little bit. All right. So it says that some of the files were not coming over. That's okay. We're going to press OK. But you can see that from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Those are our columns, vertical columns. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there should be 2 more pieces here. But these are the photos that we're going to be looking for. We want to have those other 12, but for this demonstration purposes, that's what we can do. So we've made our contact sheet. Now we're like, all right, the next piece that we want to do is we want to go in to, you can either grab your brush, change your color, maybe a red. You could even grab a shape or something like that if you wanted to grab like a circle and give it a no fill, but then make it a red. That's all good too. What we want to do is from here, tell me what photos you're going to be editing. Tell me what photos you want to work with. So maybe I want to do this guy, right? Let me undo this real quick. Push that up to 5. I want to do that guy. Now you can see that I've got a little circle around him. Right, so that tells me that I'm going to do that. Like I said, you can grab your brush, make it a little bit smaller. I also want to edit. Let's go into this guy. Change the color since I'm using the brush. I want to edit this one. I want to edit this one, right? So tell me what 12 photos you're going to be looking at editing and making awesome. Definitely want to do this picture right here, right? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me what the rest of them are. There's 6. So you'll have your 50 photos. Like I said, here we are at a little bit less than. We're missing 12. We'll have the other photos down below here as well, and that'll give you some options. So once you have everything done, you're ready to move on. You've told me what photos you're editing. We're going to come over here, do File, and we're going to save it. Save it as a copy. I want to change the Photoshop, make that a JPEG. I'm okay with Contact Sheet. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Save. Okay. And that's it. Let me minimize that guy. Coming on over here, you can see that there is my Contact Sheet. Now you're just going to turn that in on Schoology, and you're done. That's it. Easy as that. If you got any questions, let me know for sure. Or you can always go back, read, watch, see what happens. So, making a Contact Sheet, tell me what ones you're editing, and turn it in.